Well done, Tay. Didn't the Flopper series end already?
Well, yes, but I'm kind of running out of ideas, Flopper. I am back in this annoying ass game. Do not miss these sounds at all. How do I not have $1 billion yet? Fucking money. No, I don't want to join Stevie very much. Save game. The backroom door is open. Well, let's go to the backrooms. Hello? Please!
Shut up and take my money!
Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Happiness? Well... You have so much friends. How are you not happy? Only you, Papa. No. Not gonna lie, this game plays kinda boring. It's so... This cat is so fucking annoying. Climb on top of the house. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh.